Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook and Drews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a happy Thanksgiving. Now, I hope everybody's out spending time with their family, their friends, significant others, having a good time, eating a lot of food. Don't eat too much now. Yeah. So, as far as my Thanksgiving goes, I made over 18 items this year. I was expecting to do less, but I ended up doing 18 items this year. Yeah. So that was a lot, but I got it done. Yes. All right. So but I know everybody's. I know you came to see the food. Charlie, where's the food? I know, but I have some things I would like to share. It is just a little something. It ain't nothing major. So let's get started. All right. Let's see what we have here. Responded to emails, messages, and comments. Now, it will be a delay during the holidays, especially during Thanksgiving and Christmas time, because I'm usually really busy. So, responding to comments, emails, and messages might be a little bit slow, maybe a day or two delay, maybe three, I don't know, depending on how busy I am. So, during the year, it can be pretty difficult to respond. But this year, I was able to get through it. You know, but just in case, I know some of the people that's been around for a long time. I've been doing it for almost 12 years. Y'all already know, okay, during the holiday, da, da, da. But this is mostly for the people that might be new watching or, just never know. So yeah, so during the holidays, especially during Thanksgiving and Christmas, it is usually a busy time for Charlie. And I gotta go and do what I gotta do. So, all right, let's see what we have here. Playlist posting. Oh, okay, yeah, the community section. Yes. Okay, so I've worked on my playlist. I've been having them up for about a year. So if you check out the playlist section, I've divided it into several sections. Soups and stews, barbecue dishes, Chinese inspired dishes, cakes. People like the cakes and frostings, of course. And I divided it into the sections so that way you can find my videos a little bit more easier, instead of going through like this on my phone. You can just go there, you select, oh, I can see what kind of cakes and you go in there. Wow, he has a chocolate cake, oh, vanilla, strawberry, and you could find things a little bit more easier. So, yeah, so be sure to check that out. Like I said, it's mostly for the newer people. Some people that might have been here for a while, but they're just now seeing my channel for the first time in a while, maybe. So just to let everybody know. Okay, so another thing is that on YouTube, they used to have this section called the community section. It used to be community, but now that is replaced with the word post. So if you go on my page, you can see posts. So you can see that, okay, you can see what Charlie got going on today. Okay, he made egg rolls. Wow. So okay, all right. So just so everybody know that I release a video every Friday between 1 and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Just want to let y'all know that. I think, yeah, that's it for that part. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, the last thing. All right, this is one of the most important things here. Taking orders throughout the year, especially during Thanksgiving and Christmas. I believe that this year people have asked me way more than ever to cook and bake for them. I didn't have people ask me during the comment section, people ask me in email, even people ask me in person. So with that being said, it is pretty difficult for me to cook and bake, especially during the holidays due to limitations and schedule and everything like that. It's just difficult. Now throughout the year, it really depends on my schedule and what I'm doing and everything else, because I don't want to take on something knowing that I have this to do, that to do, da 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 da, and I'm busy with other things. So that's basically it, y'all. That is it for the news. Now it's time for the food presentation. I know y'all been waiting. Oh, Charlie, we've been waiting all this time. Let's see the food. Come on, bruh. So here it is. All right, y'all. Here is the food. So we're going to get started with the desserts first. Here we have 3 homemade sweet potato pies from scratch with the cinnamon sugar crust. And over here we have the homemade lattice top apple pie, the pecan pie, the beef roast stuffed with garlic. I'm sorry about the presentation, y'all. The food is cold. Here we have the candied yams, the potato salad, the sweet green peas, and over here we have the soft and buttery dinner rolls, the one pan of the chicken cornbread dressing, the New Orleans stuffed bell peppers with shrimp and crab meat, the homemade dirty rice, the delicious and creamy macaroni and cheese, the second pan, this is the seafood cornbread dressing, the two seasoned oven roasted Cornish hens, the collard greens with the smoked neck bones, and lastly but not least, the Thanksgiving turkey. And there we have it. And that's it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that food presentation. I know some of y'all probably like, Charlie, that looks delicious. Well, my plate at. Yeah, so I'm just playing around. Thank you all so very much. I just want to thank all my 400 and about 450K subscribers. Thank y'all so very much. I really, really appreciate it. Take care, and I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful, and safe Thanksgiving. Peace.